Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetrading.system.com, making a quick update about gold. So let's get started. Very, very nice setup, and it can produce a lot of pippage. So let's get started. I'm going to show you previous some higher time frame charts quickly. This gold weekly chart, right? And it has Elliott wave counts, wave 3, and then ABC wave 4, and big wave 5. Out of that, we have 1, 2, 3 underway, and wave 4 will come after that, and then wave 5, right? So wave 3 will also have 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 of wave 3 is underway right now. But if you look at the daily time frame, you will see what's cooking here is this. So that's wave 3, that's wave 4, but wave 5 wave 5 of this wave 3 is also is going to have five waves, right? So it's 1, 2, and that black count is coming for wave 5. Now, this wave 3 actually of that wave 5 also have 5 waves. So it gets a little complicated in Elliott wave, right? Elliott wave, they are like waves within waves within waves, right? Every wave has some waves. So just pay attention to this, that we have this blue count, 1, 2, 3, and this side wave 4, and we're going to be going up for wave 5. This wave 4, wave 3, and wave 4 will show up on the 4-hour chart like this. This is wave 3, this is wave 4. It's A, B, C, flat correction, sideways. Then we're supposed to have wave 5. Out of that, wave 5 will also have 5 subwaves, right? So out of that, we already have made wave 1 and wave 2. We were bouncing from there from 78% of this fib if you draw. And we're going to be going for wave 3, right? So just concerned about this wave for now, from this point to this point here, right? So somewhere maybe 25, 60, 25, 70, 28, something like that. And then we drop a wave 4, wave 5. But right now, the setup is this. Okay. Now, this setup will show up on my, Renko chart very, very beautifully, and which is this chart. You see this? I've been tracking and trading this chart all along from here. This is like from finishing this big wave 1, 2, and then wave 3 will come up, right? So wave 3 it will be this. So wave 3 also have 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I traded every single one of them. Right? Then comes wave 4, A, B, C, which we already also saw that on a 4-hour chart. This is right, 3, and then A, B, C, 4. Right? So that's wave 4. And then we're supposed to have wave 5 to the upside like this. Wave 5, that will finish wave 3, black count. But wave 5 will also have 5 subwaves. Out of that, we already finished this wave 1 and 2. Now, wave 4 also showing that. For our chart, right? This is wave wave 4 with A, B, C correction. But here, the candles are different. So the TL and all of that is a little different, right? So, but you can see that, it's like wave 1 and 2 breaking this sloping TL, and then finding support and then going to the upside. If you draw the TL from here to here, this is what price does all the time. It breaks the TL, come back and find the back of it. You see that? How beautiful it is. You use that high and this high, and look, the price break above it, come back, testing it, then it's going to go to the upside. But this whole thing is here. That's what's happening. Wave 1 and wave 2. Now you can see that you draw the TL from here to here, and it is a nice touch at 78%, and very, very beautiful, like this one exactly. This like a gut layer or bad kind of pattern produce this much. Then again you have this and the retracement, and then produce this much. Then you have this move and a retracement, then it produced this much. Then you had this, and then correction. Then now you have this and this correction, and then produce this much. And then what's going to happen now? This one is just like this one. So we went up, we came back, we are bouncing from 78%, going here at least 61%. That would be 25, 74, and even higher. All right. So just wanted to show you this and share with you guys. Be ready. Whatever the system you use, I'm going to using my 150 chart, probably this much. this chart here to make the entry, the bullish entry. Market is closed right now, so it's going to be opening at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. So it is already turning bullish, right? So as soon as it goes above the red line and then give me a long setup, we'll take it. I'll take it all the way. Other than that, I just posted this chart on the Telegram. Bitcoin is moving even on the over the weekend. The market is open for Bitcoin, right? So this is the chart I posted. Let me show. Yeah, I have it. So see this right there. This is the one, and then I said, watch Bitcoin may go up from here. So that's exactly what happened. It was bouncing, and then it is already up here. Let me show you the current chart. Right there. You see that? So it went up, boom, straight up, and then it's here. Right now, excuse me. So right now it's here already. So this is a very nice, wave and then correction on the sideway, ABC. This is a flat correction, right? You can say wave four, wave one, wave two or wave four, whatever it is, but it is a correction. So one, ABC, correction. If you draw the fifth from the top, if you look at the other, forget it. So then you see that the first pullback is 50, then it came down and touched the 23% line. So that is the recipe for a bad pattern that will produce 88% all the way to the top, which will be here somewhere, this level here. So that would be the target. If it continue, and then it's going to give me another entry, I'm going to make another entry and then continue to go to the upside to that target, right? It's not going to go in a straight line. It will be, it's like up and down and up and down. So yeah, I'll be going with that. I'm waiting for the pullback and then again and again and again, cash out, get in, cash out, get in, cash out, I like that. But gold is, setting up very, very, I like this chart. Beautiful, beautiful chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 3. Exactly the same way wave 5 will give us. And it already gave us 1 and 2. It's going to be like 3, 4, 5, just like that. Right? So let's see what happens. That's my take, my stance right now. If it's going to happen or not, time will tell. But this is the way it is, right? So this is it for now. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time. And talk to you guys later.